Bubblegum stars shining bright, candy wishes in the night. Pop the worries, let them flow. In this universe we glow. Street lights blink like fireflies, neon colors hypnotize. Skateboard wheels, they spin around to the rhythm of this town. Dare to dance and touch the moon, humming your own little tune. Feel the magic in the air, bubblegum stars everywhere. Bubblegum stars shining bright, candy wishes in the night. Pop the worries, let them flow. In this universe we glow. Street lights blink like fireflies, neon colors hypnotize. Skateboard wheels, they spin around to the rhythm of this town. Dare to dance and touch the moon, humming your own little tune. Feel the magic in the air, bubblegum stars everywhere. City's heartbeat thumps along, every heartbeat is a song. Balloons rise against the tide, take my hand, let's take the ride. Coffee cups stack high, sky full of chatter. Morning sun whispers, promises scatter. Old ragged book with tales torn and tattered. Silent stories told by faces worn and weathered. Steam rises slow like dreams lightly fading. Fingers tap rhythm to songs they're creating. Heartbeats syncopates, life invigorating. Tables hold secrets, emotions percolating. Sip the sunrise in a tiny cafe. Forget the world's rush, let worries drift away. In the hum of life, where hearts gently sway, find your own peace, caffeinated ballet. Conversations swirl the waltz imbalanced. Spilled cream puddles form abstracted talents. Eyes lock briefly, creating a silence. In crowded spaces found simple alliance. Mornings turn noon, yet time takes no toll. Pressed flowers adorn porcelain bowls. Laughter lingers, sweetens every soul. Every sip taken makes moments whole.